These little dresses are easy to make and fun to make also. Even your little girls can help you make some if they want. I use them in journals, and they're very easy. They're not very big. I have a pattern for them, and mostly just the bodice, just the top half of the dress is all you need for the pattern. The rest is just sewing the skirts together and gluing it onto the top. Now the pattern is in my Facebook group for free, and I'll leave a link in the description box. And what you need is about 5 inches wide, 2 inches long of lace of any kind, and just gather it up as you see me doing here. And that's going to be the skirt. After you cut out the bodice, the top of the dress I cut it out of felt. You can use anything you want, but felt doesn't ravel, and the glue sticks to it very nicely, and it lays down flat. So you could even use paper, though, if you wanted to. Now I'm just going to hot glue this skirt to my felt top that I cut out earlier. And first of all, I'm just going to glue one edge to it, and then adjust the skirt to fit to the other side. And when I have it the way I want it, then I will glue the whole thing down. So you just got to play with the gathers and get them where you want them, and then glue. Turn it out. You may have to adjust a few times like I did, and cut off the threads and turn it over, and there you go. You got it. On this one, I put some lace behind the gathers because the lace was very thin, and this was just straight lace. It wasn't gathered. I just glued it at the top of the skirt, and then I cut it off to fit and go with the lace skirt on the bottom. So you can do a lot of different things. I cut motifs and appliques out of fabric, and I put them on the dresses. You can do a lot of different kind of things. So have fun with it. I did that with the purple. Have fun with it.